Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to understand how to send WhatsApp messages for sessions booking. So I'm running an academy over here and I'm using sessions to receive new bookings from my clients. So in this case I want whenever I receive a new booking in my sessions account, then automatically a confirmation message should be sent to my client using WhatsApp by AiSensy. So here to build this connection, I need to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to understand how to send WhatsApp message for session.us booking. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that I run an academy and I use sessions.us to schedule appointments with my clients. So to ensure that they don't miss their sessions, I want to send them quick confirmations. So here in this case, I want whenever someone books an appointment with me using my sessions.us booking page, then automatically a confirmation WhatsApp message should be sent to my lead using WhatsApp by AiSensy. So here to build this connection, I need to connect my sessions account with my WhatsApp by AiSensy account, and here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus it keeps everything organized and error free so you can focus on growing your business hassle free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as send WhatsApp message for session.us booking. And here I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder in Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more link given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to our forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder in Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. And here you can see we have successfully created a workflow over here, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as session. So Sessions is a video conferencing platform designed for seamless online meetings and webinars. People use it because it's easy to set up and provides a smooth, high-quality video experience. Whether you're hosting a team meeting, virtual event, or one-on-one session, Session.us offers features like screen sharing, chat, and recording to make your interactions more effective. It's a great tool for staying connected with others, whether you're working remotely or hosting online events. So here in my Sessions trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as booking created, so that whenever a new booking is going to be created in my sessions account, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Or you can say that whenever a new booking is going to be created in my sessions account, then automatically this entire workflow is going to be triggered. And now here after selecting my trigger event, you can see I have received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my sessions account with Pabbly Connect. So here following the instructions given below, firstly here I'm going to copy this webhook URL. And here I've already logged in my sessions account. And from here I'm going to click on my profile over here. And from here I'm going to select workspace settings. Now here under workspace settings, you can see we have received the option for webhooks over here. So here I'm going to click it, and here you can see under this webhooks window, we can set up our webhook over here. So here to set up my new webhook, I'm going to click on this add webhook option given over here. And then a dialog box will appear in front of you, and here it is asking me to add the webhook. So here you can see firstly it is asking me for a URL. So here in this URL field, I need to enter the webhook URL that I have received in my Pabbly's workflow. So here I'm going to enter my webhook URL. So this is my webhook URL, and here for this trigger I'm going to select my trigger event as booking created. So here in this trigger step, you have to select the same trigger that you have selected while setting up the trigger in Pabbly Connect's workflow. And then here for the permission, I'm going to select personal, and after entering all the required data, I'm going to click on this confirm button given over here. And here you can see we have successfully set up a webhook over here. That means we have successfully connected our sessions account with Pabbly Connect. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to create a test booking in our sessions account. So for that, let me take you to my booking page. And here to begin with a booking, I'm going to select a particular date. So let's suppose that here I'm going to select my date as 31st, and here I'm going to select a random time, that is 12 p.m. to 12:30 p.m. And then I'm going to click on this confirm, and here you can see it is asking me for a name, email and phone number. So here I'm going to enter a dummy data and make a test booking. So here for the name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy user, email as dummy@pabblytudes.com. And then here I'm going to enter a random phone number. And now here after entering all the required data, I'm going to click on the schedule session given over here. And here you can see we have successfully received a booking confirmed message. That means we have successfully scheduled a session over here. So now let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the session start at, scrolling little down. Also we have received some details such as the guest name, dummy user, guest email, dummy@pabblytudes.com, and my guest phone number. And also we have received some other details, and with this we have successfully set up this trigger step over here. Now let's move to action step by clicking on this action button over here. And now here in this action application, we are going to select our action application as WhatsApp by AiSensy. So here by selecting this particular action application, we are going to send a WhatsApp message to our lead who has just booked the appointment with us. So WhatsApp by AiSensy is a tool that enhances WhatsApp messaging for businesses by adding features like automated replies, bulk messaging and customer support. People use it to manage customer interactions more efficiently, send personalized messages, and automate common tasks on WhatsApp. It's popular because it helps businesses stay connected with their customers on a platform they already use, making communication smoother and more effective. So here in my WhatsApp by AiSensy action step, I'm going to select my action event as send template message. So that whenever we are going to receive a new booking in our sessions account, then automatically a confirmation message will be sent to our lead through WhatsApp by AiSensy. And now here to connect my WhatsApp by AiSensy to Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your WhatsApp by AiSensy account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me for an API key. So here following the instructions given below, which says enter the API key here from your AiSensy account. To obtain the API key, log in into your AiSensy account, navigate to manage section, then go to API key and click on the generate API key button. So here following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my AiSensy account, and here you can see the dashboard of my AiSensy account. And now here first let me show you the template which I have created in my AiSensy account. So for that I'm going to click on this manage over here. And here from manage, I'm going to select this all option. And here you can see all the templates which I have created for my use till now. So here in this case, we are going to use a template which is named as new sessions 1. So now let me open this for you, and here you can see the template which we are going to use in this entire automation. And after creating a template over here, I have also created a campaign for the same template. So for that, let me take you to my campaigns option, and here under campaigns you can see I have already created a campaign with the name session over here. So here before building this automation, make sure you have already created a template and the campaign in your AiSensy account. So it's very important step. So do not forget to create a template and a campaign in your AiSensy account. So now after showing you the template and the campaign, let me take you back to the manage over here. And from here, we are going to click on this API key option given over here. And here you can see we have received the API key. So here I'm going to regenerate the key. And now I'm going to copy this API key. Moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste my API key. So this is my API key, and now here after entering my API key, here I'm going to click on the save given over here. And now you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the campaign name. So here in the instruction it says enter the name of the campaign that has to be sent to the user. It is to be noted that the status of the campaign should be live. That means here we have to enter the campaign name that we have already launched. So as I've already told you that I have already created a template and a campaign for this particular automation. So here to get this campaign name, let me take you back to my AiSensy account. And from here, I'm going to go to the campaigns. And here under campaigns, I'm going to select my campaign over here. And then I'm going to copy this campaign name. So here it is very important to enter the exact same name of your campaign which you have created in your AiSensy account. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow. And here I'm going to paste my campaign name. So this is my campaign name, and now here after entering my campaign name, here it is asking me for a mobile number. So here I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this particular WhatsApp message. That means here I need to enter my lead's phone number. So here instead of entering my lead's phone number manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive the new booking in our sessions account, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map my lead's phone number. So for that I'm going to search for my lead's phone number. So this is my lead's phone number. So here I'm going to map it. Moving forward, and then here it is asking me for a username. And here for this username, it says enter the name of the user to whom the campaign has to be sent. That means here I need to enter my lead's username. So again, here I'm going to map my lead's name over here. So for that, I'm going to search for my lead's name. So this is my lead's name. Moving forward, and then here it is asking me for a source and tags. So here these fields are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And then here it is asking me to enter the template parameter. So here to tell you that what is this template parameter, let me take you to my AiSensy account. And here in my AiSensy account, you can see the template which I have created. And here you can see I have used a variable in the place of name. So here we have used variable in the place of name because I want whenever I receive a new booking in my sessions account, then automatically this previously existing lead name should be updated with the new one. Variables makes our text dynamic and you can add multiple variables in your draft. So here in our template parameter field, we need to enter the value for a variable. So here in my draft, I have used a single variable that is in the place of name. So here in this template parameter, I'm going to map my lead's name. So this is my lead's name. So here I've used a single parameter. That's why I've entered a single value over here. But if you have used multiple variables, then you have to pass multiple parameters by simply using comma to enter the new values. And now here after entering this template parameter, here it is asking me for attributes, URL and the file name. So again, these fields are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here after entering all the required data, I'm going to click on this save and send test request. But here before clicking on this save and send test request, I need to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message over here. So here I've entered my own phone number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message over here. So now let's go and click on save and send test request over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the success as true and the submitted message ID. That means we have successfully sent a WhatsApp message on my phone number. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see the WhatsApp message which we have received which says, "Hi dummy user, thank you for booking a session with us through session.us. I am excited to connect with you. If you have any questions or need assistance before our session, feel free to reach out anytime. Looking forward to it. Best regards, ABC Academy." So here you can see we have successfully added our lead's name in the place of variable. So this was our WhatsApp message which we have received, and with this we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation with a real-time example to check whether it is working or not. So to test our automation, what we are going to do is that we are going to create another new booking in our sessions account, and here to create a new booking, let me take you back to my sessions booking page. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here I'm going to book another event by selecting a specific date such as 31 only. And then here I'm going to select my time as 2 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. and then I'm going to click on this confirm. And now here it is asking me to enter the name, email and phone number. So again here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the name I'm going to enter the name as test user. And I'm going to enter the email as test@pabblytudes.com. And then here for the phone number, I'm going to enter my own phone number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message over here. And now here after entering all the required data, I'm going to click on the schedule session given over here. And here you can see it says booking confirmed. You have successfully scheduled a session. That means we have successfully scheduled a session over here. So now let's go and check our WhatsApp. And here you can see we have successfully received a new message over here which says hi test user with the same message template. That means we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as sessions and our action as WhatsApp by AiSensy. So that whenever a new booking is going to be created in our sessions account, then automatically a confirmation WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead by using WhatsApp by AiSensy. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clue link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.